Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel at Home with Nancy. If you're new here, at Home with Nancy is all about interior decor, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and all things fancy. And if that's something you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button so y'all could chill with the most high gang. And do not forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I do post new content. Anyways, in today's video, we are going to talk all about the JACQUEMUS La Pochette handbag. So this handbag is actually a part of what I got for my birthday. So so this handbag I have been trying to get my hands on for some time now, but it keeps getting sold out. So my best friend, shout out to OT, who ended up purchasing this bag for me because it came back on the website, and then she figured she gets it quickly before it gets sold out again. And guess what? When she got it and gifted me the bag, I ended up going online to check for it, and guess what? It was sold out again. So yes, I'm so glad she got it when she did. And yeah, because I talked all about this bag so much, and this was a perfect birthday gift. So anyways, let's just talk about this bag. So this is the packaging. So usually I have purchased some previous JACQUEMUS handbags, and they do not come in the box, they come in a dust bag. So with this packaging, I was kind of surprised it has the red box. I am not sure if it's because my birthday is in January and she probably purchased it during the whole Christmas period or something. So maybe that's why I have this red box, because usually JACQUEMUS has no boxes, So I'm not sure if this is Christmas packaging or if this is just their new packaging. So anyways, let's just open it. So here's the box. The box is beautiful. It's huge with the red and white blue, which is what I'm thinking is part of like the holiday packaging. And so yeah, so I thought I'd do this unboxing because I was looking for this bag on YouTube before my best friend purchased it. And guess what? I only found like one video on YouTube, and the other one was a short. So I figured it's imperative I do this unboxing and show y'all this one, and also of course add to the YouTube videos of this bag style, because it's a new bag. So here's the box. I'm just gonna slide it over like this. I would open it, but I'm trying to do another unboxing on my Instagram. So I'm just gonna slide it because I'm scared if I do like untie it, I might not be able to like put it back or tie it right back. So anyways, here it is. It has JACQUEMUS written on it. Just gonna, gosh, this is so snug. See, it's really snug. Okay. 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 Here it is. Ta-da! And it also came with this JACQUEMUS bag. So it's like ivory and like burgundy red writings, and yeah. So anyways, let's look at this. So here it is. Okay, just gonna, okay, so now here it is. So this is the bag I am used to with JACQUEMUS. Like I'm used to these dust bags, So here it is. Okay, let's just go right for it. Okay. Okay. So here is, whoa, this bag. See how beautiful it looks? So it's silver. Like, should I call it silver? Should I just say chrome? So it's chrome, like silver chrome. And it has like the gold ball on the side, on this side, and a square on this side. And it has JACQUEMUS written in front, right there, in gold. So just gonna take this out so that way it could close properly. And I'm gonna roll this up. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, so here is the bag. So it does have a magnet thing on here. 2 magnets. One here, actually 4. And one here. So I believe this is supposed to roll down like so and stick to the magnet. So it has this beautiful roll. Okay. So I'm trying to make sure it's on the magnet. Yeah, right here. So now you see the bag. So the magnet is actually holding the bag together. It's a good size. It's actually a nice big bag, but it's not too big. It's so pretty. Like this bag actually, I believe, looks better in person. Like it's just as beautiful as the photo on the internet, if not more beautiful in person. So I actually love everything about this bag. I do love the fact that it's silver, it's chrome. I own, some silver bags, but very little silver bags, and they are not high-end brands. So I feel like this is my first high-end brand silver bag, which I do love, and I do love the gold detailing on it. Like I just feel like the gold makes it look more extra, and it makes the bag actually so much more versatile because you could wear it with a silver outfit, a gold outfit, a white outfit, a black outfit, or whatever, because it has the mixed metal looking color on it. And another thing too I want to point out is that it also has JACQUEMUS written on the side of it. And here is the bottom of the bag. It's pretty wide. It has no feet. Here's the side with the ball. And here is the roll right here. So it almost looks like a mirror, like, oh my God, I could actually like look at myself like, yeah, it's like mirrored almost because that's how much it shines. But yeah, so I love everything about this bag. So let's just go ahead and open it, okay? I'm gonna open it. Got all this stuffing out. So here's the inside. It is a pretty big bag. Like it has a little linen fabric inside, just like this bag. So it does have like a card holder, little pocket thing on the inside too for your cards. And yeah, it's a very pretty bag, like so pretty. And I probably should take this plastic from the ball. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Uh mm, on the square side it's more tricky to take it off. How do I take it off? Okay, figured it out. Figured it out, figured it out, figured it out. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now that it's off, you could actually like look at the sides even better. Okay. Okay. There's the bag. So this is how tall the bag is. Here it is from the front, how tall it is. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back again and roll it down. Okay. So I think you have to put this in, the sides in like this, for it to roll properly. Okay, now it's all rolled up. And you see, you have to like fix the sides so it rolls properly. Yeah. So this bag, I believe I don't need to do what fits in my bag, because this bag is pretty big and it fits a lot. Like, it will fit everything, your phone, your car keys, like everything you could think of, perfume. It's a pretty big bag. Not too big. I would say width wise, it's probably about, let's say, 10 to 11 inches wide. And lengthwise, when it's rolled down, like from top to bottom, I would say maybe like 6 to 7 inches tall. Yeah. So it's a pretty good size bag. Like, you don't have to worry about things fitting in. And I feel like this could be dressed up and it could be dressed down. Like, I don't even know. Like, I am going to use this bag a lot just because I really do like it. And I am going to actually look for some great outfits for this bag. This bag, I believe, could match both black, white, silver, gold outfits, even red. Like, it's so, so pretty. So beautiful. Like, I just hope you can see how beautiful it is on this video. Yeah. So I think, Jacquemus pretty much did their thing with this bag, and that's why it keeps getting sold out, because it's such a beautiful piece, and it's just something so different from their other bags. I feel like this, compared to their other bags, is actually different, and I feel like, I think, um is it Balenciaga or what other brand has a little, no, I think it's Alexander Wang. Yeah. So I think Alexander Wang do have roll up clutch like this, but theirs is smaller. But I feel like this is a lot more prettier, because just this on the sides just make it look like so much more luxurious, you know? So all right. Anyways, if you made it to the end of this video and you stuck with me throughout this whole video, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so, so much for watching. And thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel. And yeah, thank you. And I'll be catching y'all in my next video. Mwah.